Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start by confirming your torque wrench type and unit, pounds-feet or pounds-inches. Once done, inspect the head area for a printed or engraved scale. That scale shows numeric values in pounds. Then locate the fixed index pointer, usually a notch or line on the handle or collar, because that pointer is what the scale aligns to. You need the wrench at its resting position to read the index accurately, so set the wrench to its minimum and make sure lighting is good and the tool is clean. Now you actively set the target torque in pounds. First, unlock the wrench collar and rotate the handle until the scale number matches the fixed index pointer. Do this slowly so you land exactly on the desired LB value. Once the numbers align, fine-tune by micro-adjusting the handle until the pointer lines up precisely with the mark. Then lock the collar to prevent drift. Make sure the wrench returns to the same reading when released. That confirms a reliable set before you apply torque. Finish by verifying the index with a calibrator or a fastener that needs a known LB torque. You want to prove the pointer truly indicates the set value. If readings are off more than the acceptable tolerance, recalibrate per the manufacturer or send the wrench for service, because drift causes under or over torquing. If you see inconsistent readings, check for dirt, a loose collar, or a bent pointer. Clean and recheck, and always record verification dates to catch repeat issues early.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.